Hey guys, it's Bree the Coupon Queen. Welcome back to my channel. So I want to share with you guys some tips for next week's Walgreens beauty event. Wanted to post this video this week so you guys have plenty of time to figure out all you need to know about the beauty event. So if you want to buy a newspaper this Sunday, which I highly recommend because we're getting some awesome makeup coupons for Revlon and for Almay. So I have a couple scenarios, some individual deals for you guys, and of course, some money makers. There is a potential for a deal with OVERAGE as well, so make sure you guys stay tuned. If you're new to my channel and this is the first time you're joining us, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. Take a second, hit that red subscribe button and the notification bell. I will be posting tons of information on the Walgreens beauty event on my YouTube and on my Instagram. So if you don't follow me there yet as well, definitely head over there. Earlier this week, I did post some coupons that you wanted to print immediately from coupons.com. So hopefully you saw that post and you guys were able to get that printed. Some of those coupons we are going to use in these scenarios as well. So let's go ahead and dive right into this video. First, I want to go over some tips if you're new to couponing at Walgreens, or if this is the first beauty event you're going to go over. I want to go over some tips for how you can make it as successful as possible. So number one, the beauty event is there is a paper booster for when you spend $25 on beauty items, you are going to get back 7,000 points. There is also a digital booster that will become available. Now, not every account gets it. The second I figure out it becomes available, I will post it on my Instagram and I will post it on my YouTube in the community tab as well. So if you do get it on your account, clip it immediately. The second I post that, head over on your app, check your coupon folder and make sure you clip that coupon just in case it disappears. Where you get the paper booster is going to be from a Walgreens location that has a beauty consultant desk. Now, I know a lot of you guys were reaching out, letting me know that there are no beauty consultant desks within like a large distance from you guys, like an hour, 2 hours away. The only tip I can give you is hopefully you get the digital booster. See if they will accept a photo of it that they can scan from your phone. I will be posting a photo the Thursday of the beauty event. That way it will be a nice clean photo and you can see if they will accept that. Some will, some won't. If not, once you do everything, then you can always call customer service, let them know that they wouldn't accept the one on your phone and it wasn't working. See if they can give you the 7,000 points back. They do stack. So just like usual, if you have a digital booster and a paper Catalina booster, these are the same thing. So they will stack, making you earn 14,000 points for just spending $25 on beauty products. It does have to be beauty products. So you've got to make sure that everything in your scenario up to the $25 does track towards beauty. Sometimes some of us will be hitting beauty doing this event. So at Walgreens, every $50 in beauty products that you purchase, body wash, facial care, makeup, things like that, hair care is included as well, you'll get another 5,000 points, which makes these moneymakers obviously even more amazing. You can use that paper booster multiple times. I think they even changed the verbiage on it where it states right on the paper booster that you can use it multiple times. I think I saw that on Instagram from Couponing with Kayla. So definitely check her out as well. She has some awesome deals, hauls, and videos. So she's definitely great. You can also pay with register rewards and cash, credit, debit, whatever, out of pocket to lower your out of pocket cost with those register rewards. That is why this week I did 2 hauls for you guys and for me, of course, to stock up on those register rewards. So today I got $19 of register rewards alone. I think on Monday, because I wound up using 2 of the register rewards already, I don't know how much I wound up getting, probably like $10 of register rewards. Next week, there are some deals giving us register rewards again. So, of course, in my Monday haul, I will do some deals, scenarios, and transactions in my haul to get more register rewards for this beauty event. Couple additional tips, fact versus faux. Some locations and some cashiers will give you the wrong information. Couple things that you guys have mentioned that has been told to you in the past. One, that you can only use the paper booster one time. That is not true. You can use it multiple times. Two, you have to spend $25 after all coupons. That is not true. This entire slide is not true, so don't get confused. All of these things are not correct. Some people have even mentioned that they won't give you the booster until you do a transaction, spend $25 out of pocket on beauty, then they'll give you a booster to then have to spend another $25. That is crazy. That is not true. The only thing and my only recommendation I can give you guys if they are telling you incorrect information like that, I mean, try to go to another location. If there is a location near you that you know, knows all the policies and has the beauty consultant there with some good managers, try to go to that location. If not, the only thing you can do is call customer service afterwards and just see if they can give you the 7,000 points back. So I have some individual deals I want to go over with you guys. Then I have two amazing scenarios. Next week, when we figure out exactly what products are included, some of them in the Walgreens ad say select varieties. So we won't know exactly what's included until Sunday when the products online roll over to the new deal. So I will be doing another video for you guys next week with two additional scenarios. So stay tuned on the channel for that. Definitely want to make sure that I can encompass a bunch of deals so that way there is a scenario out there for everyone so all of us can take advantage of this beauty event and really get those points stocked up on our account. So Almay makeup remover pads, any Almay next week is 30% off and buy two, get a $5 register reward. So some of the deals I'm going to show you are going to be price matching online. Some of them are not because I know some stores won't price match, some will. So just keep that in mind. The makeup remover pads in store, I don't think it's that big of a difference. I believe they're $5.99 in store. Online, they're $5.69, so not a huge difference. With the 30% off, it's going to make it $3.98 each. We are getting a 3 off of 2 Almay makeup remover coupon in our Sunday Smart Source. That is why I highly recommend picking up a newspaper. Most places get the Smart Source. It's the Retail Me Not that's elusive, and I don't even get it personally, so I have to order those online. If you want to know where I order my individually cut coupons or anything like that, it is listed in the description box for you guys. So just make sure you read through the description box. Tons of information in there to help you guys out. So for this deal, you'll pay $4.96, get back a $5 register reward, making two completely free. Such an amazing, amazing deal. Shea Moisture Hair Care is buy one, get one half off. So here is the standard price in store and then the online price. So in store, they're $3.99. Some regions are up to $4.29. It just depends on where you live. The second one would be $1.99. We are getting 5 off of 2 Shea Moisture Hair Care coupons in our Sunday Retail Me Not. The current Shea Moisture coupons that we got, I believe 2 weeks ago, are going to expire on Saturday. So if you want to use those coupons, make sure you do so because they expire on the 15th. So for this deal, you'll pay 48 cents for both or 24 cents each. Definitely an amazing, amazing deal. And I have a couple of these. I've actually not tried it yet. I have so many products, it's hard for me to try them all. So let me know in the comments if you really like that or not and kind of what it is. It says it's a curl smoothie. I don't know if that's like a leave-in conditioner or do you use it to style your hair? Haven't really looked into it too much. So drop a comment, help me out, let me know what you guys use that for. The online price shows $3.39. So if they will price match, then the second one would be $1.69. Using that 5 off of 2 coupon, you're going to pay just 8 cents for both of them. So, so amazing. Rimmel is also buy one, get one half off, and we have a Walgreens IVC coupon. So one deal I put together, you can do 2 of the Rimmel Scandalized Eyeliner that you see in the picture. They're $5.49 online. In store, they're relatively the same price. Rimmel is typically a cheaper cosmetic line. So the second one would be half off at $2.29, bringing your total to $6.88. We have dollar off coupons from a long time ago, so this one's not super beginner friendly, but they're from the 614 Smart Source. So if you still have those expire in about 2 weeks, so definitely want to get those used up. We also have in this photo a 4 off of 2 IVC coupon for Rimmel Eye or Face Cosmetics. So there is the digital version. You can clip it, send it to your card. That way you don't have to worry about bringing that booklet up when you're checking out. It's already a little stressful as it is with all the coupons and everything, and have to worry about remembering to have them scan all of them. So I like to just clip the digitals. That way I don't have any issues. Your final cost is 88 cents for both, or 44 cents each. Another deal you can do is on the face products. The IVC coupon will work again. The Stay Matte Pressed Powder is $6.29. Second one is $3.15. Using 2 of those coupons again, it's on any Rimmel cosmetic, so that's why you can use it on the face or the eye. You'll pay $3.44 for both, or $1.72 each. So really good deal on that as well. Covergirl Cosmetics, there's no deal or anything going on with them next week, but we have some pretty high value coupons from last Sunday's Smart Source insert. So if your store will price match online, you can get these for just $1.49. If not, you're going to grab them at $5.99. That is the in-store price. Use the $3 coupon, you'll pay just $2.99. So still not a bad deal. If you grabbed the inserts, we have had so many CoverGirl coupons. There may even still be some valid from the 7/26 Smart Source as well. I haven't checked to see what the expiration dates are on those. So this is the deal with the possible overage, and I'm so excited about it. So it says buy one, get one half off, but it says select variety. So we don't know exactly what's going to be included until Sunday. So in my next video, when I update and do 2 additional scenarios for you guys next week, I'll probably post it on Tuesday, Monday night or Tuesday. I will update and let you guys know if this is going to work or not. So the acne bar is, if it's included in the buy one, get one half off, it's $3.49 in store. The second one would be $1.74. We have a $3 Neutrogena acne product digital coupon and a $3 coupon from coupons.com. Hopefully you guys printed that one out. It is a great, great coupon. That'll make this free and a 77-cent overage, which will obviously help towards your out-of-pocket costs. So that is an amazing deal. So now let's get into our first scenario. You are going to grab some Rimmel. They are again, buy one, get one half off. So grabbing 2 of those scandalized eyeliners like I showed you, and 2 of the Stay Matte Pressed Powders. Then you're gonna grab Revlon. Revlon is 30% off, and buy 2, get a $5 register reward. So in my must-do deals video, I didn't know the limits on the coupons, and you guys, a lot of my subscribers reached out and let me know it's a limit of 1. So I switched up my deal a little bit. You're gonna grab 1 of the cream eyeshadows. 30% off would be $4.89, and 1 of the Candid Concealers, the smaller ones. They're $9.99 in store. 30% off would be $6.99. Then you're going to grab the Garnier Whole Blends, which will be $3.99 next week, just 1 of them. And again, that Acne Facial Bar at $3.49. This will bring your total to $35.68. Now, I know you're wondering why I went so high over the $25 mark, and I will explain that in a couple minutes. So the coupons that you're going to use, 4 of the Rimmel Any product coupons from the 614 Smart Source. The 4 off of 2 Rimmel Face and Eye coupons is going to come off twice, because for every 2, you're going to get $4 off, and we're buying 4 of them. So you're going to get $8 off. Sorry, my math got a little crazy in my head. Then you're going to use a $3 Revlon Eye and a $3 Revlon Face that we're getting in our Sunday Smart Source, and a $2 Garnier Whole Blends digital coupon. And then the acne product, either the digital or the one from coupons.com. You're only going to be using 1 of them for this scenario. So this is the breakdown, and this is why I had to go so much higher over the $25 mark. Because remember, your total has to be $25 on the nose or more after IVC coupons and Walmart coupons. So your total is $35.68. Then the IVC coupons are going to come off, which is $8 for the Rimmel. Now your total is $27.68. The rest of the coupons equal $15. You'll pay $12.68 plus taxes. You will need filler items if you're going to use any register rewards because there is a coupon attaching to every single item in this scenario. You'll get back 7,000 points from the paper booster. If you also have the digital, you'll get back 7,000 points for that and $5 register reward from the Revlon deal, making everything completely free in a $6.32 moneymaker, which is absolutely amazing. It'll also give you another register reward. So if you want to use that towards your next scenario to do another spend 25 deal to rack up on those points, you can. One quick tip on rolling register rewards. So I have a $5 register reward now, right? Say we actually did the first scenario. I cannot use that $5 register reward towards another scenario that has Revlon or Almay again, because that's going to be the same deal. If you roll a Revlon register reward into another Revlon deal, the register reward for that next one will not print. So just be careful of that, what register rewards you're using. So this one is pretty beginner friendly. There are not a ton of digital coupons. So that is why I also only wanted to do 2 scenarios. So that way next week, hopefully on Sunday, we'll get some amazing digital coupons for some makeup products. But I put together the best beginner friendly deal that I could come up with for you guys. You'll grab one of those Garnier Whole Blends at $3.99. One of the Neutrogena Healthy Skin Blushes at $9.59. That is the in-store price. Online is like literally almost half off. So I will share that deal with you guys next week with the online prices. One of the CoverGirl Lash Blast at $7.99. Two of those, Neutrogena Acne Facial Cleansing Bars, $3.49 and $1.74, because remember, those are buy one, get one half off. One Wet n Wild lipstick, they're going to be 25% off next week, and those items already are super, super cheap. The lipsticks are just $1.19, so that is a great filler item if you guys are needing one, like in the first scenario. Something that is going to be beauty and it will allow you to add a register reward. Definitely check out the Wet n Wild line. So that'll be just 89 cents. Your total for this is $27.69. Here are the coupons you're going to want. We have a $2 CoverGirl Eye digital. If you have the $3 CoverGirl Eye from the Smart Source insert, definitely use that instead. But I was trying to do as many digital and printable coupons as possible. That way it is beginner friendly. We are going to use a $3 acne product digital, the $3 acne product printable from coupons.com. And there is a $3 Neutrogena Face Cosmetic Digital that you see in the top right corner. That will attach to the blush. The $2 Neutrogena Face IBC coupon that you see in the bottom right-hand corner, that will also attach to the blush. And the $2 Garnier Digital coupon. This coupon here is what is going to attach to that acne bar. So just wanted to give you guys a couple visuals of some of the coupons that you'll be using. Total for this is going to be $15. Here is the breakdown. We're at $27.69. Then we have that $2 Neutrogena IVC coupon. Now our total is $25.69. So it checks off. We are good to go. Total for the rest of the coupons. Oop, I had a typo, so I went ahead and fixed it real quick. Total for the rest of the coupons is $13. You will pay $12.69. You will need filler items for each register reward you want to use. You'll get back 7,000 points from the paper booster, 7,000 if you also have the digital booster, making your final cost free and a $1.31 moneymaker. So definitely a lot of great deals going on at Walgreens for this beauty event. I'm super, super excited. If you guys have any questions, just drop a comment, let me know. I will go over all the tips again and all of the fact versus faux when I do my next video with additional scenarios next week, just to kind of remind you guys, keep it fresh in your memory. And of course, I will go over it again on Monday in my Walgreens haul for the deals that I'm going to be doing to get even more register rewards. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you next time.